sonst geht die Tavihovi.
Yeah, let's take just one example out of 7. Sadly, these were modernized engineers. It's also by Tavihovi. And it was Jänislahdenkatu 3. This is the last technique, but just one of them, one of 7.
Yeah.
Because we don't have time for it. The 6 floors here. It was built in 1972 by ValmetSchlieren, but modernized by Pirkanmaan Hissipalvelu in 2003. Badge one is the SIN number is VS2864. It's the same as in Sweden.
Yeah.
Because 4% of 330 grams. Probably modernized in late 2003.
Yeah.
Because I've seen this in Aikatalo in Helsinki.
Yeah.
For example. So probably late 2003. It will be inspected this year, 2021. Totally unnecessary modernization.
Yeah.
Only after 41 years.
Yeah.
Or 31
Yeah.
years. But of course in Sweden itself we have too much of this.
Yeah.
But same thing there, if we have like something like, well, we didn't expect to be like one out of several, then one example of course.
Yeah.
Enough, but not more than one.
Yeah.
That's it.
Inspected by device and maintained by Pirkanmaan Hissitekniikka.
That's it.
That's it.